And finally, here is a great way of taking payments on your Circle community if you're unable to use Stripe. I know some folks have had difficulty in the past with Stripe or choose not to use them. And that's a obstacle if you're using Circle Paywalls, which use Stripe as the processor. I've actually had issues with Stripe as well in the past, so I can certainly empathize with those who are in a similar boat. And what I recommend is using something like Gumroad as the front end of delivering your content and accepting payments. There's other alternatives as well, but Gumroad certainly is one of the more popular ones. And simply upload all your content into folders on Gumroad and then send your customers to the Gumroad checkout page, even on a membership, for a community. And then people will pay you through Gumroad. They can be automatically added to your Circle community by dint of the API. So Circle and Gumroad integrate in a very synergistic way. And then folks are added to spaces within your Circle community, and you've completely bypassed the need to use Stripe to facilitate payment while still delivering lots of content, having an email marketing component through Gumroad, and having all the files and downloads living on Gumroad as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Great workaround. Thanks, and see you in the next lesson.